Yeah, I think it's a very narrow-minded view to just look at drinking water advisories. And of course, those are very important things and they do need to be addressed. But just addressing them by throwing money at them, building a new plant that works for a while, I don't think is actually going to address a lot of the challenges that these communities face. Indigenous communities can often be very small and very remote, just across the country. And being small and remote, there's a unique set of challenges. You're far away from resources and support. And often, despite you could put a state-of-the-art drinking water system with brand new technology that works fine, but if you can't get a shipment in of new cartridge filters to keep that thing running, it becomes very hard, and it puts an undue hardship on the community to keep these things running. And I think that's maybe something that we don't always see, that the operations and maintenance side of it, and having proper support for the people who are providing those services to these communities, that this is as important of an issue as just simply eliminating the drinking water advisories.